Maria Teresa Isabel Tessa Rufino Prieto-Valdes, born September 1963, is a Filipino interior designer, socialite, columnist, and television personality known for her flamboyant personal style in fashion and for her philanthropic work. Prieto-Valdes writes lifestyle and society columns for the Philippine Daily Inquirer and has co-founded the Red Charity Gala, an annual charity fashion gala in Manila. She has also appeared as a media personality on reality television and in films. Prieto-Valdes is the eldest daughter of Marixie Rufino Prieto, a businesswoman who chaired the Philippine Daily Inquirer and a member of the prominent Rufino family, and Alejandro Alex Prieto, a businessman. She had an older brother, Louis, who died in a motorcycle accident along South Luzon Expressway in 1994. Her sister, Alexandra Sandy Prieto-Valdes, is the president and CEO of the Inquirer Group of Companies, while her brother Parla is the president of Inquirer.net, the newspaper's website. Prieto-Valdes completed high school at Assumption College in Makati in 1981 and initially studied architecture at the University of Santo Tomas in Manila for 2 years. But she dropped out after becoming pregnant with her eldest child, Brian, at age 19. Raising Brian as a single mother, her parents sent her to live abroad. She then pursued interior design, earning a Bachelor of Arts degree in interior design from the College of Notre Dame in the United States. After finishing her studies abroad, Prieto-Valdes returned to the Philippines and took the professional licensure exam for interior designers, achieving the top score in 1995. The Rufino Prieto family was listed by Forbes as one of the Philippines' richest, ranked 39th in 2007 and 40th in 2008, with an estimated family fortune of more than $30 million United States dollars. Prieto-Valdes was married to businessman Dennis Valdez from 1994 to 2025. The Philippine Entertainment Portal reports that the two had first met in 1993 on a scuba diving trip in Anilao, Batangas, but the Philippine Daily Inquirer, quoting Prieto-Valdes, says that they met in Palau. Their story was dramatized on the GMA Network romance anthology series Wagas on June 27, 2015, where Tessa and Dennis were played by Jackie Rice and TJ Trinidad, respectively. Tessa and Dennis had 3 children together, son Tyrone and daughters Jordan and Athena. Prieto-Valdes became a grandmother in 2021 when her eldest child, Brian, and his wife had a child, and now has 2 grandchildren. In 2020, Prieto-Valdes confirmed that she and her husband had separated after 26 years of marriage. In a 2022 interview with Pep, when asked about the separation, she said that she felt betrayed but did not elaborate on specific reasons for the breakup. Following the annulment, Prieto-Valdes dropped Valdes from her surname in some of her social media accounts and began using just Tessa Prieto professionally, although in the press, her hyphenated name often remains. In interviews, she hinted at dating again and focusing on self-growth. Prieto-Valdes is a certified scuba diver. She is also an avid marathon runner and triathlete, having completed the New York City and Paris marathons, often joking that she cares less about her finish time than about taking the most photos in her flamboyant running outfits. Other hobbies of hers include golf, yoga, and pole dancing. In interviews, Prieto-Valdes has described herself as a maximalist who approaches all aspects of life with full intensity and passion. A Catholic, she has mentioned being prayerful and even exploring practices like feng shui and meditation. She co-owns an online store of feng shui ornaments called Frigga Home. In 2018, Prieto-Valdes met the Dalai Lama, which she recounted as a profound experience, though, characteristically. She quipped that right after feeling enlightened by his words on karma, she went shopping because she remains a self-confessed lover of material joys. She maintains a residence in Forbes Park, Makati. She also has a house in Australia. Legal issues. In July 2024, she filed a formal complaint against her former romantic partner, Angeli Angel Kua, accusing Kua of physically abusing her during their relationship. Prieto-Valdes and Kua had dated for about 11 months after the former's marriage ended, and according to Prieto-Valdes's affidavit, there were instances where arguments escalated to physical harm, including one severe incident in July 2023, and she stated that she feared for her safety. In October 2024, a businesswoman named Salad Bautista filed a complaint accusing multiple people Prieto-Valdes included of involvement in an alleged syndicated estafa fraud scheme. The complaint, filed with authorities, suggested that Bautista had been defrauded in an investment or business deal and that Prieto-Valdes, along with 5 other individuals, had some role in convincing investors. Prieto-Valdes denied any wrongdoing. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.